Hey everybody, it's Harvey here from Friday Junior School again. We're having something of a quick tip video shootout in school at the minute. Things are hotting up, hence all of the new videos. I wanted to share with you 3 tips on using tabs. So within our Chrome browser window, we have these tabs along the top here, and quite often as the day goes on, you'll find more and more tabs start to open. So just to keep you organized, what you can do, tabs that you come back to all the time, such as email there. What I like to do with that, right click, pin, and that just moves it right over here, gives it its own little tiny tab there, and that just never moves. So you know you're going to be using email throughout the day, leave it over there, doesn't move. You could do the same perhaps with the drive, similar sort of thing, pins it over there. You might find that you're working on 2 or 3 projects at once. So, for example, I've been marking some work. This Space Raiders is a piece of coding that some of the children have been doing today. And there's Classroom there and Jaden there. That's the person that's done this work. That's his slides presentation of how he did it. So what I'm going to do, take this and I'm going to add tab to new group. Name this group. I'm going to put marking. And you can even give it a colour. What's not to like? Let's go for a nice magenta. And then take this one, and I'm going to add that to the group marking. And where's that one? There's Classroom there. So I'm going to right click, add to group marking. So now all the purple group are my marking group. But over here, I've had some EdTech work that I'm doing. So here's our channel that we've been working on. So let's add tab to group, new group, and I'm going to make this one orange and call it EdTech. I can now add other tabs to that group. There we go. So now when I move this group about, it all moves at once. I messed up there, didn't I? Move the tab. It's the title that you need to move about. And I can now as well grab these and drop them into a group. So now I know all my EdTech stuff's in there and all my marking's in there. And of course, you get to the point where you think, actually, I'm working on this document. And that's all I need at the moment. So right click and move down, close all the tabs. Everything else disappears other than the one you are currently working on. Hope that's been useful. Use of tabs. Let me know if there's anything else you would like to see.